Hello guys, welcome back in today's crypto technical analysis. Today, as usual, we do a multiple time frame analysis for BTC and Ethereum. We're also going to touch to total market cap rate for the altcoin setups. So I'm not going to cover the weekly time frame. You can refer to the last video about the weekly levels. However, based on a daily time frame, we had yesterday the bearish engulfing, but as you can see, that was a bullish engulfing followed by the bearish engulfing. So however, as I said, in the bullish market structure, this type of bearish engulfings has less effect. And at the moment, we're at the support. These zones are heavy. The support for the daily time frame as well as the mid time frame. As long as we're going to be above $25,000, $24,500, the daily time frame will be safe. Slightly earlier to talk about the $25,000 because we've got higher time frame, the daily Fibonacci level. If you're going to, for those who are interested how to measure the Fibonacci, that you're going to take from the 10th of March and then the highest one on the daily time frame, 14th of April. So you will get these levels. So this is your 0.618, the golden pocket. However, yesterday, as you can see, we got close exactly from 786. That's another important level. However, it's not that important as these golden pockets. And if we're going to lose the 4-hour time that I will cover in a minute, all of these candles closed below 786, and highly likely if we're going to lose the 4-hour time frame, as I said in the last videos, 27,200 all the way up to $26,600 are going to be extremely important based on a daily as well as the mid time frames. So beginning of this year, I analyzed this price action, and as I said, as long as we're going to be above this levels, which was 18,000 and 17,500, as I said, highly likely that we're going to see a trend change. Anyway, for the spot banks, we already saw over 75% pump in the market. However, based on a daily time frame, 19,200 and 19,500 was extremely important in order to break, and we broke that resistance in a single candle. We saw massive pump, stuck a bit on the higher time frame, Fibonacci 618. After V-shaped recovery, we saw a further pump in the market. So that provided on its own, without getting an exit signal, we just got back into consolidation around in these zones once we broke 23,000, 23,500. However, since the trend change average, we saw massive another for the spot holders, over 60% with the current price action, over 45% pump in the market. And daily time frame is heavily under the bull's control. If you're enjoying from the contents, smash the like button and then subscribe to the channel. Moving on with the total 3, where you're going to exclude BTC and Ethereum, and you will end up with the altcoin market cap. So this is the Fibonacci level that you're going to take it on the daily time frame from the 5th of November all the way to this level, 30th of December, and you will get these levels. So at the moment, once we tested bounce V-shaped recovery from 382 or 0.618, it really doesn't matter. And we're at the moment, again, as I said in the last video, as long as we stayed above the local support, we have a chance to go to the daily where we will see a massive pump on the altcoins. However, we broke the local support yesterday, as you can see, and we're dumping right back into 0.618, the golden pocket. So this is the important level, another important level, testing and holding this level, breaking that level, which is going to be local support, ideally the weekly, and we will have the same structure as I mentioned. However, this is extremely important level in order to hold the altcoins without seeing a breakout on this daily as well as the local support. It is going to be early to talk about the daily where it's going to be a mini alt season. So this is the important level. Keep an eye on to this 300 and again 65, ideally maybe 370 and all the way up to $400 billion are going to be extremely important. So the message is clear. Without clearing these levels, which is a local support and a weekly, do not expect an alt season. Let's move on with the ETH analysis. On the daily time frame, Ethereum is heavily under the bull's control. However, 4-hour is a bit struggling, that I'm going to talk about it now. 2-hour as well as the 1-hour time frames are heavily under the bear's control. 1648 is a previous entries. As soon as we claimed, as you can see, retested it, target number 1, 1771, as well as the target number 2, 1912. After that, again, as I said, staying above this level, we can pump all the way up to, in the first place, 1912, and then $2,100. So we cleared all the target levels that I mentioned, and as I said, as long as we're going to stay above $1943 and $1920, we have a chance to go all the way clearing this resistance and then all the way up to 2,300 and 2,350, and then the next target level is going to be higher time frame, the fib. That's it, very important, $2,550. However, it is slightly early for us to talk about this level. At the moment, 4-hour, once we broke this level, got back under consolidation. Losing this level, as you can see, That's a multiple time frame Fibonacci levels as well. This level, local Fibonacci level, plus higher time frame 618, that confluence in this level around 1912 and 1930 levels. If we're going to lose this level, the first target is going to be 1820, followed by all the way up to 1771 is going to be the next target level. However, staying above with a correction and claiming this resistance, that's going to give the next target level is going to be $2,300. So it's a bit challenging at the moment, and you have to keep an eye onto these levels. Losing this level, as I said, towards the south. However, breaking this level, that's going to lead all the way up to, we can pump all the way up to $2,300. Moving on with the BTC on the 4-hour time frame. However, before we move on, if you want to learn all this technical analysis what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and one-on-one intense masterclass is available where you're going to learn how to become profitable and professional trader. It only takes you 10 hours to master this all. And during the course, you will learn day trading, scalping, swing, and as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. BTC on the 4-hour time frame is a bit struggling, and to get back under the consolidation, we have to break and stay above the orange line, which is $29,090 are going to be extremely important to get back under the consolidation. As I said, 1-hour time frame, 2-hour, as well as a 4-hour at the moment under the bear's control. As soon as we lost the red line, 4-hour went back under the bear's control. However, to claim this level, but it might not be enough, and we have to stay above this level. That's going to be $29,414, and then main important level is going to be $30,000. Without claiming this level, it is going to be early for us to talk about the trend change based on a lower time frame as well as the mid time frame. So as you can see, yesterday we stuck on this higher time frame daily 786, the Fibonacci level to the dollar we held, and we got rejection right from again to the dollar from the orange line. That was a scalping levels actually. If we're going to see a rejection right from here, and highly likely we will see, as I said in the previous videos, 27,200 all the way up to $26,600 are going to be next target levels. Between this red resistance as well as the $20,500, $400 are going to be no man's land. Without seeing a recovery from the lower time frame, it's going to be early to talk about $30,000 followed by 31.5, and then all the way up to $32,000. That's a bullish scenario. However, the bearish scenario, as I said, losing this level, that's going to give us the first target level, 27,200 all the way up to $26,500. We came to an end of this episode, and if you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.